Meet Tom. Tom's car was damaged in a recent hailstorm, and he's looking to have it repaired. He could take it to a body shop, but that might mean panel replacement, bondo, or even paint, all of which greatly diminish the value of his car. Then, Tom found All Star PDR, a hail damage repair company that uses painless dent repair, or PDR, to repair damaged vehicles by gently massaging any dents out from behind. Tom called our friendly staff to schedule an appointment. On arrival, he traded his car for a free car rental and signed a repair authorization. Our experienced technicians repaired the damage, completed a comprehensive quality control check, and cleaned his car. All Star PDR covered Tom's deductible up to $500, and we offer a lifetime warranty on all repairs. Be like Tom and call All Star PDR now or complete the form next to this video to schedule your free repair.